I am Zahid Farooq from Urban Resource Center URC Karachi. We are working in Karachi since 1992 under the supervision of Mr. Arif Hassan. My question is this: as a citizen of Karachi, we face lot of problem in parking issue, especially old city areas. Then also we face water shortage, some part of district west, and also some parts of district center. Maybe after all city, we are discussing 2045 Karachi plan. So please kindly look Karachi transport issue, parking issue, and then water issue. Maybe K4 is not a solution of for Karachi. Karachi K4 may be facilitated to Bahria town, then phase 12 and 11 and 13 for DHA superhighway. We need some more water for common people on affordable price and quality water. We are now purchasing water, and our source of income is very less. I am living in a Kachi Abadi slums near Kati Pahadi, Paharganj, Block Q, North Nazamabad. We are facing their water come in our area after 15, 14, 12 days, 2 hours. And our street is very narrow, and there is some issue from community and some issue from local government institutions. Please make some arrangement for the facilities for citizen betterment 2045. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for your